Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I would like to show you how I made this 3D printed Audi Rotor rims for my Audi S3 model. At first I made this 3D model and prepared it for 3D print. I printed rims from PETG filament on Prusa MK2 Clone printer. Download link for STL or Fusion 360 source file is in the video description. 3D printed model looks nice, but a lot of support was necessary. Let's remove it. .3D printed rim from PETG filament looks much stronger as a regular plastic rim. Now it's time for sanding with sandpaper. I try to make this 3D printed surface as smooth as it is possible. I'm going to make a two-color finish on this rim, so it's very important to have as flat front face as it is possible. I'm going to sand the front face with sandpaper, and because I want a very flat surface I use this glass. And in this way I should get a very flat surface. In this way I prepare all four rims for next step, which is spraying with primer for plastic and then spraying with body fillering spray. As you can see, all rims was sanded. Surface is now pretty smooth and there is almost no marks after 3D print. Now I'm going to spray these rims with primer for plastic, and then I spray it with body filler or body primer. After spraying with this body primer, I should see if there are some imperfections on this surface. And here are rims after painting with body primer. As you can see, surface is pretty nice, but here and there are some marks after 3D print. I sand these imperfections with sanding paper and then I spray it with body primer. I do it off camera because I don't want to bore you with this sanding and spraying cycle. Rims are nice and smooth and surface is ready for two-color paint. At first I sprayed this Tamiya chrome silver color only on the edge of rims and on these small rows, or whatever you want to call these small parts of rim. It is important for final surface finishing to have at least 4 or 5 coats of this silver color. And now I spray rims with a grey color. I don't have exact shade of grey as his original Audi, so I mixed it from Tamiya Ocean Grey and Tamiya Titanium Silver. I mix it in one Ocean Grey and 3 parts of Titanium Silver. I spray this color over a silver color, and after rims dries I sand down grey color and reveal silver, which will be under grey. I let paint dry overnight, and now rims are ready for a final step, to color finish. Here I have flat glass and 2500 grit sandpaper, and I sand down grey color on the edges of rim and reveal silver color. I have to be really careful and not send through silver color to primer. So wish me luck. Here are two spots where is still a little grey color, but it's almost done. I use this technique because this is better as masking with tape, because in this way I am able to get really sharp edges. And after I proceed in this way all 4 rims, I spray it with clear coat, and rims will be done. I spray it with this clear coat. I sprayed rims with matte clear coat, and now our rims basically done. All what left to do is put tires on rims, and then put rims on the car. If you want to make some rims for yourself, you can find the download link for STL files for 3D print in a video description. And if you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. And if you want to support my future projects, you can do it on my Patreon site. Thanks for watching.